remove the 3 screws around the perimeter to get the shade out. You could remove them all the way or just loosen them up a lot and leave them in, and then pull the shade down as soon as it can come. Now you have room to unscrew all the fan blades. There's going to be 8 screws going all the way around for 4 total fan blades. Be sure to keep the washers on so you don't lose them. All right, the fan blades are off, and now we want to unscrew. So the one with the backwards L shape you can leave on, just loosen it. But the other one that's just in the hole, that one needs to come all the way up. And do that on both sides. Just twist it to the left, comes right off. 2 screws on this side. Also have washers, so keep track of those. And 1 screw right here. So those screws are out, and you can just let it hang here. Now we can work with the wires. So we're going to pull these wires out. All right, so the red one is going to be for our light. And the light wire for the light is the blue light. Okay? So black and black are still going to stay together. That's for the fan. But now blue is going to go to red for the lights. And then my ground slipped out, so I'll recap my ground. White stays where it is. Push the wires back up into place. Alright, so those are all up in there. The wires have a little bit of room in between, that's fine. And then put the screws back. And replace this one. Seat it behind the washer, behind the screw head on both sides, and then twist right into place. And then replace these screws, 1 on each side. And tighten this one up. Same on the other side. Fan blades go back on. If you don't already, make sure you have a dimmable bulb in here. So I already have an incandescent dimmable. Shade goes back into place. You got the 3 screws around the perimeter, tighten those back on. And you should be set. Let's go turn the power back on and test it out. And there it is. We got the light, we got the fan. Let's see 1 switch at a time there. Can you dim the light for us and so we can see the switch? Good. We did it.